Automating InGeniusOne monitoring in AWS. InGeniusOne is NetScout's solution for service assurance in the hybrid cloud. Based on NetScout's smart data technology, vScout provides deeper visibility into the performance of workloads in the hybrid cloud. This allows you to monitor and triage user experience issues, ensuring that high-quality services are delivered to your users and/or customers. The AWS Cloud Platform provides elasticity using elastic load balancers and auto-scale groups to add more servers, spreading the load in order to improve service quality for the users. IT needs to ensure that this constantly changing environment can be monitored to ensure best performance of applications deployed over the platform. InGeniusOne automation capabilities allow it to seamlessly monitor applications delivered on AWS. And in the demo, we'll watch how InGeniusOne configures itself and extends monitoring to new workloads automatically. The auto-scale groups start from an AWS launch configuration based around the necessary image or AMI for the application, the web server in this case. The user data facilitates the launch of a script on startup of the AMI, which in our case updates the web server, and then uploads and installs the latest version of vScout. This process automatically registers vScout with InGeniusOne and triggers InGeniusOne services and dashboards to instantly have this new server or batch of servers and application service monitored. With the launch configuration in place, next we configure the auto-scale group, which is the control for server instantiation. We'll name it MRP Web. Let's start with 2 instances. Select the VPC networks and subnets for the web servers and direct the traffic from the elastic load balancer to these instances. We'll choose a simple scaling policy at first, review settings, and create the group. The instances then get created in the relevant AWS region. Now that they're created, we'll switch to the InGeniusOne device configuration screen to see if they're registered. Here they are, with names automatically assigned appropriate to the auto-scale group, MRP Web 1 and MRP Web 2. Now, as the final part of this automated process, let me switch to the InGeniusOne services screen. And as you can see, the services are also configured. We see the service with the new web server vScouts and also the new service with the elastic load balancer application ready to go. InGeniusOne is now monitoring these new servers and the application. Let's move to the InGeniusOne dashboard. As soon as we see data from the newly instantiated web servers, the new service appears. From the dashboard, we're seeing performance of the web servers, but we are still seeing some failures and slow performance. It's a good thing we're monitoring. Here's the web services monitor showing the 2 web servers in action. And yes, we see degraded performance and errors from the web server. Even with 2 web servers, we still need more computing power to improve latency, clear application load errors, and enhance user experience. But with AWS, we can just scale up the web servers either manually or using a policy, AWS CLI, or how about just using simple Ansible script as an example of service orchestration? Here's the script, which changes the desired capacity of the auto-scale group to 10. And now let's run it. Of course, when the instances get created, they will automatically register to InGeniusOne and update the desired InGeniusOne services. All done. Let's see the new instances in the AWS console. And now in InGeniusOne device configuration. And finally, they're in services as well. Now, looking at the InGeniusOne service dashboard, over the last few minutes, there have been no errors, and the response time has dramatically improved to acceptable levels. Everything is green. The application load from the user traffic has been spread across the new web servers, and the users are now happy. The InGeniusOne Web Services Monitor shows these servers and their performance, and we can use this information to help tune the optimum number of web servers we need in our environment based on performance data or smart data from vScout. And as we bring more servers online, terminate servers, or even let the advanced auto-scaling features of AWS take over, we know that InGeniusOne automatically oversees the performance of everything going on in the AWS cloud. This is another example of how you cloud smarter with InGeniusOne.